You're watching Traveling Lord, where stories come alive and every journey is an adventure. Today, we explore the beating heart of Nepal, Kathmandu, a city where ancient traditions meet modern life. From sacred temples to bustling squares, and from hidden alleys to World Heritage Sites, Kathmandu is a treasure chest of culture and spirituality. Join me as we discover the top 10 tourist places in Kathmandu you must visit. Number 1. Kathmandu Darbar Square. At the very center of the city lies Kathmandu Darbar Square, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that was once the royal palace of the Malla kings. Surrounded by ancient temples, courtyards, and statues, this square is where history whispers from every stone. Don't miss the Kumari Ghar, home of the living goddess Kumari. Watching her blessing the devotees is one of the most unique cultural experiences in the world. Number 2. Swayambhunath, Monkey Temple. Perched on a hill overlooking the city is Swayambhunath, also known as the Monkey Temple. This stupa is one of the holiest Buddhist sites in Nepal. The iconic eyes of Buddha gaze out in all four directions, symbolizing wisdom and compassion. As you climb the long staircase, playful monkeys greet you along the way. From the top, you'll get one of the best panoramic views of Kathmandu Valley. Number 3. Pashuptinath Temple. On the banks of the Bagmati River stands the sacred Pashuptinath Temple, dedicated to Lord Shiva. It is one of the most important Hindu temples in the world and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Here, you'll witness age-old rituals, cremation ceremonies, and the devotion of thousands of pilgrims. Though only Hindus may enter the main temple, the spiritual atmosphere can be felt by anyone visiting. Number 4. Bodhnath Stupa. Another must-see is Bodhnath Stupa, one of the largest Buddhist stupas in the world. With its massive white dome, golden spire, and the eyes of Buddha watching from above, it radiates peace and spiritual energy. Circumambulating the stupa with monks, pilgrims, and locals while spinning prayer wheels is an unforgettable experience. Around it, you'll also find Tibetan monasteries and tea houses perfect for soaking in the atmosphere. Number 5. Thamel. If Kathmandu has a heartbeat, it's Thamel. This vibrant neighborhood is the hub for travelers, filled with trekking shops, restaurants, live music bars, and colorful streets. Whether you're shopping for souvenirs, tasting local and international cuisines, or just enjoying the nightlife, Thamel captures the fun and modern side of Kathmandu. Number 6. Garden of Dreams. Just a short walk from Thamel lies the Garden of Dreams, a peaceful oasis in the middle of the city. Built in the early 20th century, this neoclassical garden is filled with fountains, pavilions, and quiet spots to relax. It's the perfect escape from the chaos of Kathmandu's busy streets. Number 7. Hanuman Dhoka Palace Museum. Within Kathmandu Darbar Square lies the historic Hanuman Dhoka Palace Museum. Once the royal palace, it now showcases the history of Nepal's kings, with artifacts, weapons, and royal portraits. Standing at the entrance is a statue of Hanuman, the monkey god, believed to protect the palace. Number 8. Asan Bazar. If you want to experience the daily life of locals, head to Asan Bazar. This bustling market square has been a trading hub for centuries. From spices and vegetables to traditional clothes and jewelry, you'll find it all here. Walking through Asan feels like stepping back in time, with narrow alleys and vibrant shops creating a lively atmosphere. Number 9. Chandragiri Hills. For breathtaking views of the entire Kathmandu Valley and the Himalayan range, take a trip to Chandragiri Hills. Located on the southwest side of the city, this hilltop is accessible by a modern cable car ride that itself is an adventure. At the top, you'll find the Bhaleshwar Mahadev temple and a panoramic viewpoint where, on a clear day, you can even see Mount Everest in the distance. It's the perfect mix of spirituality, adventure, and natural beauty. Number 10. Narayanahiti Palace Museum. Finally, visit the Narayanahiti Palace Museum, the former royal palace until Nepal became a republic in 2008. The palace rooms are preserved as they were, giving you a glimpse into the royal lifestyle. It also stands as a symbol of Nepal's dramatic political changes. Kathmandu is more than just a city, it's a living museum. From its sacred temples and bustling squares to its hidden alleys and vibrant culture, every corner tells a story. Whether you seek spirituality, history, or adventure, Kathmandu welcomes you with open arms. This was the top 10 tourist places in Kathmandu with me on Traveling Lord. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe because the next adventure is waiting. Until then, keep exploring.